Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to open a Nintendo Switch stand. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, this is the back of the Nintendo Switch, and this is a little kickstand that you can use to sort of stand up your Nintendo Switch and allow you to play it like that. Now, it's actually really easy to open, but if you don't know how to do it, then it can seem quite difficult. When I first got my Nintendo Switch, I probably spent half an hour fooling around with this, trying to get it to open because I was afraid that I was going to break it, until I found the little trick. So what you're going to do is you're going to look at the Nintendo Switch right here. There I am. You can see me in the reflection. Now with your Nintendo Switch, obviously the stand, as you can see right here, is on your right side, close to the plus Joy-Con, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it like this so you can sort of see the stand right there, okay? Let's move it to the side. Now on the plus side, on the plus Joy-Con side, okay, you're going to look at the Nintendo Switch stand. And there's going to be two sides to it. There's going to be the side that's closer to the middle and the side that's closer to the plus Joy-Con side, okay? What we're working with is the side that's closer to the plus Joy-Con side, so right here. Now on the Nintendo Switch stand, you can see that there are actually two little lines. There's one line right here where my thumb is running across, and then if you look up here, there's like another line. Now this line right here doesn't do anything, this one over here, that's not right at the edge. The one that we're working with is the one right at the edge, so that line right there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my fingernail, and I don't have long nails, so this will work even if you don't have long nails. Take your fingernail, you want to run it all the way towards the edge, closest to the plus Joy-Con side, okay? Get your fingernail under this little edge right here, this little corner, and pry it off. So check this out. I take my fingernail, I run it along the edge, all the way to the side over here, then I get my fingernail down, pop it out just like that, as you can see right there. We've now popped out the stand. Now, obviously, as you can see, you can place the card right there, which is extremely useful. You can put your micro SD card right over there, so you need to know how to pop this out, okay? And when you want to close it, just push it shut. Once again, take my finger, and I use my nail, and I just run it all the way along to the side over here, closest to the plus Joy-Con, and I just sort of push my nail down in there and pull it out like that, okay? And once it's pulled out, you can sort of move it like that, and then close it. Once again, last demonstration, fingernail back there, all the way towards the plus Joy-Con side right there, and then push down into the kickstand and sort of push outwards, like in the direction that my thumb is headed, just like that. It's that simple. That's how you do the stand for the Nintendo Switch. It's actually really easy. But like I said, once I figured it out, it was really easy. But when I was trying to figure it out, I thought I was going to break it. But it works really, really well. It's actually extremely useful in my opinion. And that said, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.